Introducing the RTP41, the rotary tablet press with 41 stations from LFA. If you're looking for the ultimate in safety, speed and feature set, the RTP41 is an excellent choice for your business. The RTP41's 4 kW motor produces up to 80 kilonewtons of direct compression forces, allowing it to produce high quality tablets. There's a control panel where you're easily able to set up the machine's running speed, as well as dials on the front of the machine where you can change the tablet size and fill them. With the top output of 180,000 tablets per hour, this press is a true mass production machine. The RTP41 is GMP compliant with its stainless steel construction, making it suitable for both food and pharmaceutical products. Safety is a priority, with its 4-sided Perspex shield to completely enclose the turret, keeping the operator safe and preventing any cross-contamination. This shield can also be lifted on all 4 sides for easy access and cleaning. The RTP41 has 2 pressing stations. This allows the press to be set up to produce double-layered tablets. It is also possible to be supplied with a Euro B or Euro D tooling turret. The RTP41 is able to be supplied with a keyed turret, allowing the producer to make shaped tablets or ensure logos, lettering and numbering are printed consistently. The RTP41's lubrication setup is simple and easy to use, saving your business time and effort. The RTP41 comes with a powder suction unit to keep the die heads clear and the press running smoothly. For more information on the RTP41, please visit lfatabletpresses.com.